One day, a wise teacher decided to give his students a very special life lesson. He invited them all to come to his house after school. At first, they were all confused, wondering what kind of lesson he would teach them at his home. When they arrived, he led them to his kitchen and took out a large, empty glass jar. Without saying anything, he picked up a basket full of big stones and started to drop them into the jar, placing them carefully one by one. After a while, the jar was almost full. Looking up at his students, he asked, "Is the jar full?" They all nodded confidently. "Yes, master. The jar is full." He smiled, then went under the table and pulled out a bag of small pebbles. He poured them into the jar, and the pebbles effortlessly slipped into the empty spaces between the big stones. He shook the jar gently, and the pebbles settled. Then he asked again, "Now, is the jar full?" The students laughed. "Yes, master, now it's definitely full." But the teacher was not finished. He picked up another bag, and this time filled it with sand. He poured it into the jar, and the fine grains trickled down, filling even the tiniest gaps between the big stones and the pebbles. "Once more," he asked, "and now, my children, is it full?" The students looked at each other, smiled, and replied in unison, "Yes, surely this time it is completely full." The teacher then took out a jug of water. Slowly he began to pour it in until the water rose to the top of the jar and finally started overflowing slightly. The students gasped in amazement. The jar, which had seemed full at every stage, kept finding space for more. The teacher stopped pouring and wiped off the rim of the jar with a cloth. Looking at his students with kind eyes, he said, "This jar is your life. The big stones are the most important things. Your health, your family, your purpose, your values, your faith. The pebbles are the smaller responsibilities. Your job, your studies, your achievements. The sand is the unimportant extras. Your possessions, entertainment, comfort, and the water. The water is the noise of life. The endless distractions, the meaningless scrolling, the things that steal your time but give you nothing in return." He continued, his voice softer now. "If you fill your jar with noise first, with water and sand, you will have no room for the big stones. Your health will break, your relationships will suffer, your dreams will fade. But if you place the big stones first, if you give space to what truly matters, then everything else can still fit around them. You will live with clarity, balance, and peace." The room fell silent. The students lowered their heads, realizing how much of their lives had been filled with noise. Hours on their phones, endless comparison with others, worries about things that would not even matter in a year. They thought of the family members they had ignored, the dreams they had delayed, the time they had wasted. The teacher then said one last thing that touched every heart. Life is not about how much you fill your jar. It is about what you choose to fill it with. One day, when your time is over, nobody will remember how busy you were. They will remember how present you were. Not the noise you chased, but the love you gave. Not the distractions you drowned in, but the meaning you carried. His students left that day with a new understanding of life. They started paying attention to the size and weight of their daily activities. Every choice became more mindful, every moment more precious. The lesson of the big stones, the pebbles, the sand, and the water echoed in their hearts, reminding them to order their life, to protect their time, to guard their peace.